Hello, we have a very interesting product today that we're going to introduce to you today. So what we have here is a very durable and sturdy fire pit. Now this is great for backyards, outdoor picnics, just something that we can get the family to come together and barbecue. So come, this fire pit is 22 inches in diameter. Enough room for hamburgers, hot dogs, s'mores. Anything that we can put inside here would be perfect. Also, corn on the cob, great choice. Now what we have underneath this mesh covering is 2 racks. You can see 2 racks. One rack on the bottom, which is great for our sticks. Now, afterwards we put this on top of here, and then we have enough room for burning stuff. Okay. This mesh covering is perfect for the embryos, so it doesn't blow away when the wind comes, and it's great for protection for the kids. So when they want to touch the food or anything, this will keep them away. Now we're going to make some s'mores. Here, a marshmallow and a stick. Well, I just cut it. We're just going to poke this right through our stick. Make sure it's nice and tight so it won't fall down. Now we're going to take this marshmallow and put it in the fire that we just made. Come. Now we have a graham cracker with some chocolate on the side, and we got the marshmallow. Perfect, look at that, sweet goodness. Gooey with chocolate and marshmallow. Now we're gonna try this right now. So good.